Is there anything better than making money while you sleep? It's totally possible. It's called passive income. Today, we're going to talk about 5 ways that you can make $1,000 a month passively. Hello everyone, I am Tabitha Roberts, the creator of the online course Level Up Shortcut and the author of the ebook How to Be Elegant. Okay, so right there from my introduction, you would have heard 2 of my passive income streams, and that is my ebook, the first thing. So the first passive income idea is to write an ebook. It's really very easy to do. You just have to come up with a topic that you are passionate about. You set some time aside to plan and write your book, and then you can use Amazon Kindle Publishing to publish your book for free. You can also have a paperback version of it on Amazon as well, and that is also free. It is print on demand, so you set it up once, and then voila, first passive income stream set. The second thing that you would have heard from my introduction is the online course. That is another form of passive income stream. So when you have an online course, you create it once and then you reap the benefits of it going forward. Of course, maybe you have to do updates on it to keep it relevant, but it's mostly just passive income. Passive income, it can happen gradually. It may take some time to develop at first in the beginning, but afterwards, it's just amazing. The third passive income stream is affiliate marketing. You can do affiliate marketing if you have a social media account or if you have like a blog. You can join an affiliate program. Amazon is a great one to start with. And then you get affiliate links and you can share them with your friends and your family and post them on your blog or social media, and people, when they buy things, then you get a small commission from each sale. This is a really good thing to do if you have a blog. You can incorporate ads into your blog, or you can incorporate it into your social media as your website link. The fourth passive income stream is that you can start creating merchandise. And that is when you just create certain products and you brand them with your specific design so that then your followers or your friends and family could buy from you. You can join merchandise sites like Teespring or Redbubble or Merch by Amazon. And this is all free for you to start. So if you're looking for a passive income idea for 2021, then this is totally it. You can create merch like stickers or t-shirts. Whatever you do, make sure it's good. You can create little teacups with prints on it, t-shirts with nice little designs on it. Just think of something that's interesting, something that you really love, and then you can create merch. Something like a throw pillow, I've seen that on the merch sites. I've created posters and stickers on my Teespring website. I will leave a link for that in the description below so you can check them out. Now, the fifth passive income idea is that you can start your own YouTube channel. Now, YouTube channels are a good way to create passive income, but you do have to do some work up front, and you also have to kind of keep going, creating content. But you can make money while you sleep when you have a YouTube channel. That is what I mean by passive income. You literally sleep and then you wake up and voila, there is money in your bank. So think about a YouTube idea, really. So YouTube is an excellent way to earn passive income if you don't mind being a bit public and, you know, showing up and talking on video and things like that. When you have a YouTube channel as a stream of passive income, you can use that as a marketing tool to sell your other products and services like your ebook or your courses, things like that. You can even leave affiliate links in the description of the video of anything that you talk about. So that is an excellent way. Everyone is saying that YouTube is just so amazing, and that is why you should start a YouTube channel. You should definitely check out my other video on how I started my YouTube channel, and I have a dedicated channel for my YouTube journey, and I will leave a link to that in the description below. So, are we ready to start making passive income? Consider these 5 ideas. I do hope that you really consider them and that you start your passive income streams. Like, really, we must earn multiple sources of income. It's important. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do check out my other video on passive income. I will leave a link to that in the description for you. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Check out this video here. Check this one out.